Okay, you got yourself a Raspberry Pi single board computer. Now you need a case for it. 3D print it. Here's a nice little case set up with all the ins and outs that you need. Ventilation holes. Drops right in. There you go. That's a wonderful case. Put 4 screws in it and there you go. But you're going, wait, that's dumb. I need a lid. Well, there's a lid. Well, you might want a bottom too. Lid, same kind of lid goes on the top and the bottom. Except there's 2 options. You can get a plain lid, goes on, screws in place, or you can get a wall mount lid. It's got 3 wall mount holes, and there you go. But you say you need more. You got to have more. How can this be a modular system? Well, this box here, stackable on the rest of them. This is a Western Digital 2 terabyte hard drive. Slides right in. It's got little bumps inside to keep it off the plastic so it doesn't heat up. And then you need a power supply. Here's a power supply, part of the modular system. Drops right in, $15 RAV power. Gives you 40 watts, 2 amps at each USB. You need some other things. Well, there's a you can get feet on the bottom, so it's a desktop model rather than a mounting one. You can turn it into a DVR, a web server. You name it, you got it. Many pieces available for this assembly in a modular kit. This is a complete layout of all the interchangeable parts for the Pi Crust system. If you got a better name, put it in the email or post it and I'll consider it. We start here with the basic shell. Then you can stick feet, a bottom. Here's all the assorted lids that I have printed. Here's a wall mount. This is a female wall mount. These are male wall mounts. These are the lids. Plain. These are the bottoms for if you're going to put feet on your Pi like this one. Otherwise, if you're going to stack them in a cluster, you might want to use the thin ones. Here is setups. Here's a hard drive module. Here's a Raspberry Pi Picade module. It's made a little larger than the other ones because it has a cable clamp on the end to clamp the cables. Here's the fan hat. This is a router hat. Put your router in there. It's a setup for a edge for router. This is a 40 watt, 4 port, 2 amps per port, rev power. It's $15. This is one here from another manufacturer that's a 5 port, 10 amp. It snaps over the top, gives it stability to stack your towers. Here's the you set up for a cluster if you're going to run a bunch of clusters. These are the interconnect pins here to stack them in between. Here's another Pi arcade box.